Hey, hey, you. Are you a plane? You might be a plane. Doesn't seem to be though. Hey, can you hear me? I mean you no harm. If you mean me no harm, come this way. Turn to the right. Bank right. I don't know. Port. Not port. I don't know. You know what I mean. Turn right. Come here. Hey, Spy Bird. Hi, Spy Bird. What's up, Spy Bird? Hi, Bird. Hey, this way. Come this way. Come this way. Fly over my head. I was trying to raise my consciousness a minute ago. So maybe this is all natural. But he showed up a couple weeks ago, and I actually wondered if he had electrodes on him to be controlled. Where'd he go? Hey, buddy, come back. Interdimensional beings that mean you no harm. If you mean me no harm, show yourself. Higher level interdimensional beings that mean you no harm. If you mean me no harm, please show yourself. Let yourself be seen. Give me true vision. Whoa. Whoa. That is one unique looking. Huge CME level 4 electromagnetic storm last night. The thing on top, that's lens flare reflection. But just seeing the plasma around the sun is pretty wild. Right here, it looks really wild. I don't know if I'm catching anything at all. This one's a boring one. Yeah, huge CME last night. I think it short-circuited my it short-circuited someone's brain last night, and I felt their spirit leave their body and still tethered, but float a few feet above for a little bit, which is kind of scary. Had to talk it back down into the body, but you can definitely feel it when the body's like left behind. It's just a dead meat puppet. But was still tethered just a few feet above as I was trying to control the seizure that I do believe was caused by the huge CME electromagnetic storm, a very rare, very fast electromagnetic storm. I guess it got here fast. The CME from the sun, like crazy fast. And the biggest EM storm basically in 20 years. Very nice clear sky today. Hey, birdie, whether you're controlled or not, I like the bird come back. It's not one of the ones I usually see. Like I said, I think I saw him back here about 2 weeks ago. Maybe a little less. Whoa, okay. I don't know if there was just something tiny in the sky or if those are my aging eyes a second ago, actually. So replay that footage or slow it down. Well, thank you, son, for giving life. I'm worried there's about to be a major geophysical event, probably a flipping of our poles, but in a way, son, I guess you giveth life, so ooh. I don't know what, that was a little white thing. I don't think it was a UAP, but I don't know what it was. Little white twig thing almost, unless it was some little itty bitty thing like a prawn and other stuff I've caught that, or that guy, was that a bug? Itty bitty things that move so fast that some are bugs, but most probably aren't. We just, we don't register. Hi, birdies. Little baby birdies. Did I even get... Those are like baby versions of that red thing. I don't know what that bird was, because I usually don't see those, and those are like little baby ones. That was weird. I don't know if I got caught on camera. They were like 4 or 5. Neat baby ones. Okay, my fingers are numb. Going back in.